YouTube, what is good? It's your boy DeMonte, and in today's video, man, it's gonna be nice and simple. I'm gonna be showing y'all the easiest step-by-step way to get a fade done. And it was just the perfect opportunity because my client here, he literally gets nothing but a fade. So I figured why not just show y'all, my thought process. So I'm gonna just go clean in and I'm gonna go in with my JRL trimmers. And when I set all my guidelines in, I try to make everything as neat as possible because you have to remember this is your foundation and the foundation is everything. If your foundation is whack or janky, the fade's gonna be whack and janky. So make sure that the foundation is real clean, and I'm just gonna clean up everything below the nape. And for all you guys who are new at cutting, when you're trying to figure out how to set your guideline in, it's really per head. So you can't really set your guideline in the same every time. It's usually different for everybody's head. And here I'm going in with my 2 guard, and I'm doing this with the grain just to clear some of that bulk up. My client said in that area that I'm in right now, it gets kind of thick. So I'm just going in trying to clear some of that bulk, and now I'm going in setting in my first guideline, which is gonna be with my 2 guard, and I got the lever all the way open. I'm just going up about maybe 2 inches, just to really just clear some of that bulk out so that I can go to work. So now I'm going in with my Wahl seniors with the lever all the way open. I'm gonna go up about a full inch this time because I really want to stretch this fade out. And to remove that bottom line, since I did set a harsh line in, I'm gonna just follow it up with the trimmers, and then I'll begin taking out that bottom line. Here I am using the trimmers, just nudging at that line, cleaning up any hairs that I might have missed. And now I'm about to put back on my Wahl seniors. And as you guys can see, I have the lever all the way closed, and I'm really just nudging at that bottom line. I don't want to set another guideline in, so I'm just hitting it until I see it shift. And then once I see it shift, I'm gonna open up my lever to halfway as I just did right there, and pretty much halfway fades out any line for me. I never really go up all the way open unless I'm doing a very, very compressed fade. So now I'm about to begin my fading down process. Here I'm going in with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm just going right below where that 2 ended. And I have the lever all the way open right now, and then I'm gonna close the lever, which is gonna make the next transition a lot easier. So now with my 1 guard, I'm gonna go in and go up right below where the 1.5 guard ended. And as you guys can see, I'm not digging into his head. I'm just letting the blade go straight off his head because I don't want to set another guideline in. This is a fading down technique. So when you're fading down, you just want to kind of run the clipper straight up and down off his head. If you're digging in, you will set another guideline in and push the fade up. And here I have the half guard on, and it's the same thing. I have the lever all the way open. And with the half guard, you really can kind of see the fade come together. As I close this half guard, you can really see that bottom line just getting removed. And from this point on, the fade's pretty much done. It's just about perfecting it and doing touch-up work. Okay, now so to remove this bulky area, I'm gonna go in and do clipper over comb. And as you guys can see, I'm putting my comb in, I'm pulling it out, and I'm just cutting the hairs that are sticking out. I'm not digging in because if you dig in, you will set another guideline in or put a bald spot. And a lot of times I like doing this because it allows me to keep the fade dark rather than pushing it up, which guards can cause you to push the fade up. And here I'm just going in with my thinner shears. And with these, I'm just trying to lighten this area up as much as possible before putting back on my guards. The thinner shears are a lot more forgiving. So if I'm able to, remove the dark area with these, then I'll do that before putting on a guard. But in this fade, I need to do both, so that's what I did. So like I said before, the thinnest shears didn't quite clean it all the way up. So I'm gonna put my guards back up, and I'm just really repeat the whole system from point A to point B. So I'm gonna start off with my 2 guard, and I think actually I put on a 3 guard because I wanted to go up just a little bit higher and remove some more of that bulk. So yeah, here I put on the 3 guard, and as you can see, I'm going just a tad bit higher than I would with the 2 because this is a bigger guard, and I just want to clean up some of this area above where the 2 ended. And then I think I'm gonna put on my 1.5 guard, and then proceed to do the 1, and then the half guard again, and then the fade is gonna be complete. So I'm just sit back and let y'all watch the rest of the video. And there is no book or no technical term on how to really do touch-up work or how to do detail work. You know, it just comes with experience. Like when I first started cutting, I didn't know, you know, if I had a line somewhere, you know, I would get lost in the fade and forget what guard would take this line out. But as you do it more and more, you get more accustomed to knowing, you know, what certain things look like, and then you just get better at it. And YouTube, here's the finished product. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe to the page. It really helps the channel grow. We're 300 off of 1K subscribers, so help us get to that goal. Like I said, I'm gonna be consistent on dropping videos for you guys, and until next time, stay blessed up. I'm out.